to a brief overview of LCA Engine main features. LCA Engine web app is composed of the web-based front-end and the LCA server, which handles the communication with the databases and the sensors. It also provides a secure REST API for supporting third-party applications. After login, you are able to manage your projects. You can edit, duplicate, or delete them, and you can also create a new one. Creation form fields are self-explanatory. In order to set the thresholds to be used for identifying hotspots, you have to select the data source and the desired lifecycle impact assessment method from the list. Thresholds, fields, and units depend on your choice. LCA project is presented as a workflow and is separated in 3 stages, namely the production, use, and end of life. Each stage contains any number of processes, and you are also able to import an existing workflow. We call this feature project in project. You can have many levels of imported sub-workflows as long as they calculate the same impact indicator. Remember that the list of available indicators depends on the selected lifecycle impact assessment method. The impact indicator of the project is appeared at the score column, and is calculated recursively by summing up all the individual process scores of each stage, starting from the bottom up. Each process contains one or many flows, which sum up to the individual process score. For better structuring, you can categorize the flows by adding new categories from the quick menu. The user interface uses non-intrusive ways for alarming possible warnings or errors, thus enhancing the user experience. The unit of each flow depends on the selected metric. For example, electricity expects kilowatts per hour. For convenience, the flows are classified. When you set the amount, the specific impact indicator is calculated on the fly, and the score is instantly updated, all the way to the overall project score. If the threshold of an impact indicator is exceeded, the total project score turns red and becomes a hotspot. When a flow has this mark, it means that the amount for the specific unit is fetched from a connected sensor. For example, this flow is connected to a sensor from the KYKLOS backend. You can link any flow with a sensor from the available list. LCA Engine is integrated with the PLM, the backend, and it also supports real-time socket-based sensors. When you connect to a sensor from the PLM or the backend, the latest value of the sensor is fetched, the amount is updated, and the score is recalculated. You can also connect multiple sensors. If a real-time socket is connected, and the live sensor switch is on, then no matter if you are focusing at another process, the live values will update the calculated score in real time. Based on the selected lifecycle impact assessment method of your project, you can see, in real time, the calculated impact analysis for every available impact indicator, according to the specific amount. Moreover, you can see an aggregated report of your project, and export the data in JSON LD format.